This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Naomi Race. This full brick ranch home features 2 living areas, an open kitchen, a large laundry room/pantry area with stairs to a huge unfished basement, 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with an additional flex room. A brand new wall oven is being installed, and the back enclosed porch with the storage room make for great indoor and outdoor space, perfect for entertaining and relaxing. This property boasts an in-ground pool with a slide and diving board, a hot tub and a large metal building that could be the perfect workshop/hobby shop. Come on home to this great place. For more information on this home, please call Naomi Race with the Naomi Race Group, Realty ONE Group Select 704-774-9710 www.smilesandkeys.com for more information. Review the details below.